Guys, you won't believe how much YouTube paid me for 8,000 views, guys. 8,000 views, right? I'm going to show you everything in this video, but you know what's funny? Before I started YouTube, I genuinely thought that once you get views, you are good to go. Like one viral video and boom, your life has changed, your channel has changed overnight and all of that. So when I got monetized and started posting, I was watching my views go up and waiting for the money to start coming in. Like, guys, reality actually showed up. Okay, I'm going to be showing you real analytics in this video. Okay, that's why I'm making this video. If you're starting YouTube or you're already posting or planning to start, or you are confused or you want to have an insight about how YouTube work and the revenue, then please watch this video to the end. Okay, without skipping any part, of course. Most of you see people with like 10k views, 5k views, 100,000 views, and you start calculating their money for them. Don't worry, calm down. Let me tell you everything in this video. Please, if you are watching this video, I'd like you to help this video reach more people, right? I want you to please help me make this video get a lot of views and reach. Let's make this video go viral, okay? So when you are watching this video, please like this video, share this video, and also drop a comment in this video. Now, one of my videos actually got about 8,300 views, right, in the past week, right? And I'm going to walk you through everything concerning this video, right? The analytics, the audience, the watch time, and most importantly, how much YouTube actually paid me for this video. Before we continue, I would like you to know that there are a few things that people might not be explaining to you about revenue, right? Now, first, your video's revenue, that is, whether it's going to be high or low, depends on where your audience is actually watching you from, right? It matters a lot, guys. Now, if most of your viewers are from places like the US or Europe or UK, you are likely going to earn so much on your video. But if you are watching, your viewers are mostly from countries like Nigeria, India, or other parts of Africa, then your earnings are usually lower than usual, right? It's not about doing anything wrong. It's just how advertising works on YouTube, right? And at the end of the day, YouTube actually pays you from ads. Do you understand? So it's not magic money. It's actually advertisers' payments that YouTube used to pay you. Do you understand? Is how advertisers pay to show their products in your videos, and not all advertisers actually pay the same. So if your content is like the finance niche, make money online, like the tech and all of that, companies in those places are willing to spend more for your videos. If you are doing like lifestyle vlogs and even comedy, you might get lower revenue. Do you understand? So someone with fewer views can actually be making more money than someone with higher views. Do you understand? That part actually is real on YouTube, and I think you need to know about it. Now, there's something else you need to know, which is the audience behavior. Now, when people are clicking your videos or leaving very early or even skipping your ads, that actually affects how much you earn per video. Even if you have subscribers, if they don't watch your ads, your revenue actually drops. Do you understand? So please, guys, whenever you're watching my videos and ads pop up, please don't skip it, okay? Try to watch it. It's just a few seconds long. And yeah, that will really help my channel grow and help the revenue add up as well. And if you're also watching this video, please help this video go viral, okay? Help this video go viral. Like this video, drop a comment and share, okay? Make sure you share to somebody else and help this video go viral. Let this video get at least 1 million views. Okay, guys, let's go straight to my analytics so I show you everything, okay? So guys, this is the video, okay? It was a video I made about Grok, telling my subscribers how they can actually navigate around the paid version of Grok, right? It's still 1 of 10, as you can see, with the views 8,300, 9.6 impression click-through rate, which is very high, as you can see, and 1 minute 51 seconds as average view duration. Initially, it was about 255, so it has dropped because Grok has also dropped. So guys, let's just open it and see. So this video has gotten 8,381 views since it was published. As you can see, YouTube recommended this video. It has YouTube recommendations 4,200, YouTube search 2,800. This is why we say create videos that are searchable. YouTube search brought 2,800 views, and that was why this video was able to get up to 8,000, because people were searching for it. It was answering people's need and demand as at the time I created the video, right? This is direct and unknown and external and all of that, okay? Now look at the audience retention, 1 minute 51 seconds, which is like 30% out of 100. Yeah, and this is the views it has gotten in the last 48 hours, 158 views. Still, the top traffic source is still the YouTube search, 122 views. Are you seeing it? So it's still searchable even till now. Then the external is about 14. These are from mostly people that share the video, right? And direct and unknown. So yeah, let's go to the reach of this video, guys. YouTube has showed this video to 65,400 people so far, and 9.6% is the click-through rate. and 8,300 views, as you can see. Then the unique viewers for this video is 7,200, as you can see. This is YouTube search, suggested videos, browse features. These are what makes up YouTube recommendations. Okay, now look at the YouTube search terms: Grok AI, Super Grok Free, and these were all possible because it's included in my titles, in my thumbnail, in my description, and even in my tags and hashtags. Look at the content suggesting this video. These are other content creators like me that made a video about it. Playlist featuring this video is easy YouTube growth tips. That's my playlist. Now let's check the engagement quickly. I don't want this video to be too long. This video has given me 259 watch hours, approximately 260 watch hours. Look at it, guys. 260 watch hours. Love video. Now look at hypes. 3 hypes. I don't know who hyped this video, but thank you so much, guys, for hyping this video. If you know you have the feature, because YouTube has not rolled it out to everybody yet. If your YouTube channel can hype viewer and creators videos, please hype my videos and let YouTube push it more. Look at the points I got from this video: 10,700. So if you hype this video, thank you so much. And if you know you can hype, please go ahead and hype my other videos. Okay, this is the remix shot I made from it. I got about 866 views, as you can see. So yeah, this is basically everything. Let's go to the audience. 7,000 people. Now look at the subscribers I got from this video. 83 subscribers, guys. 83. That's a lot. Viewers also watched other of my videos. Are you seeing it? These are other videos that viewers also watched and all of that. Let's go straight to the next. These are the age bracket: 18 to 65 years watch this video, right? Gender: male and female. Now top geographies: Nigeria, US, India. This is the countries I was talking about before: Indonesia and Pakistan, right? Okay, these are just subtitles and all of that. Now guys, let's go to revenue so that this video will not be too long. Guys, look at it, how much I've made so far. $13.58. Okay, this is how I made money. Watch page ads 99%, YouTube premium 1%. Now video performance, you know YouTube takes time to update their revenue. As at the time of making this video, the views YouTube has calculated is 7,300 with an RPM of $1.62 for 1,000 views. So the 7,300 views is $11.93 rather. But the overall money is $13.58 because it's 8,300 views already. So YouTube takes time to update it. Now look at how much advertisers pay for this video: $3.99. Initially it was 4.2. So I don't know why it dropped, but this is how much advertisers are paying, and this is how the earning type or the ads type that YouTube use: skippable video ads and all of that. So this is basically it, guys. So do you think this is big enough? Do you think it's worth it? I think we should even calculate this: 13.58. So let's calculate it. Let's say dollar is 1,400, right? Let's say 1,400 times $13.58. That's like 19,000 naira, almost 20,000 naira. So guys, do you think this is worth it? Do you think it's worth it? So guys, if you have watched this far and it has helped you understand things better, please don't scroll by. Just help this video reach more viewers. Okay, like this video, drop your comments, and most importantly, share to others. Okay, someone who's trying to grow on YouTube, please share to them. Okay, please don't skip my ads when you see them on my videos. That small actions actually supports this channel and creators more than you think, right? And if you want to grow very fast, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.